What's up, train world? It's your boy Boing's back at it again. What we gonna do is we gonna check out my custom painted Berkshire. Um, I did some funky stuff to this locomotive. It wasn't working, so I had some other pieces of a old locomotive that I had in the stash. So I had to take some parts out of that to make this work. I painted before I even, it was working when I first got it, then it stopped working. So I took it apart, cleaned it. It really is my first time really taking any type of engine apart and bringing it back to life. So we're gonna check out what I did, and I think you're gonna like it. Now I've seen a lot of these engines, and they came in this color. So it had the gray on the bottom, but I wanted to start with this. Now what I did was I took this whole thing apart, and I'm gonna put you onto a little secret how to do some painting. When you got little parts like this and you don't feel like taking apart, put Vaseline on it. Then you can paint it and just take the Vaseline off and you're good to go. But I took this apart. So I painted this, and I think I did a good job. Check it out, y'all. Nice. Now I didn't have lettering, so what I did was I put Vaseline over the lettering, and that looks nice. And I gave it like a flat black, so it won't look too shiny. But I see a lot of these engines, and they do come in a shiny black. And I did the same thing with the tinder, but let me tell you what I did with the tinder. I had some little road gravel that I bought at the dollar store. So what I did was I put some crazy glue down, and I put that down as well, and then I painted it black so it could look like a real coal. Now I've seen these Berkshires, and what they do have is the burgundy on the top and the burgundy inside here. And I'm probably gonna do that as well. And some of them have the same color tires, not tires, but the rims is the same color as up here. I might do it, I might not. But I did a good job. Now it needs to be, I need to put some lubricant in it, but I didn't have any because it makes a little noise. But this thing is a crazy smoker. I mean, whoa. So let's let this thing run.
You're mine for sure.